Ọjọ́ bá pẹ́ títí ọjọ́ àpín o, bọ́nà bá jìnnà jìnnà àdópin o. Àti sáré àdópin aré, àbàtìjìyà àdópin ìyá o. Àti súnsún àti kan ògiri, ó má ti gbẹ̀yìn kọ́ńdọ̀ tẹ̀yìn mọ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ilé òní gbóná kárẹ̀ tó omi balẹ̀, ayé òní kóró kájọ sí bá ọ̀run o. Láyé náà la ó wà, títà ó fi ṣẹ́gun lójú àwọn ọlọ́tẹ̀. Ẹkún àkọjá òkun wájúmọ́lẹ̀ fáwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, ọjọ́ ayọ̀ súnmọ́lé o.
Ó di láéláé pọ́npá, ó mà di láéláé pọ́npá. Yorùbá ò ní jọba bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ nìkan, ó di gbẹ̀yìn kọ́ńdọ̀ tẹ̀yìn mọ́ o.
Yé ẹ̀dìdé 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 bí ológun, ẹ bá jàgbá sílẹ̀ o, ẹ rántí àtọmọdọ́mọ. Kò ní sún wá, kò ní rẹ̀ wá, tá ó fi ṣẹ́gun. Ẹni tó dé ó tọ́jú ẹni tẹ̀lé ń bọ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ò lè ní dúró. Ẹ dúró gbọ̀n, ẹ dúró gbọ̀n, ẹ dúró gbọ̀n, gbọ̀n, gbọ̀n. Àtùpàgbé oníkànnì o, bí ẹ bá sùn ẹ gbé, ọjọ́ ayọ̀ tún náà lé o.
Bí a bá kú tí a bá jí, a ó mẹ́ni rí fẹ́ràn ẹni. Ẹni bá ṣàìsàn kò ní yóò lè mọ iyì àlàáfíà. Bí a bá ṣaláìní ká tó wálé, a ó mọ iyì bàbá ń fojoojúmọ́ jẹun ata. Ó dífá fún Yorùbá tí í ṣe ọmọ Odùduwà bàbá mi òkè gàgàgà tí í ṣe léṣe lẹ́yìn aṣòótọ́. Ọ̀yọ́, Ìbàdàn, Oǹdó, Ìjẹ̀ṣà, Ilé Ifẹ̀ o.
Gbọ́ ohùn alóore, Odùduwà ló ń pè.
Àkúrẹ́, Ọ̀wọ̀, Ìkàrẹ́, Òwèní, Èkìtì, ẹgbóhùn Ifẹ̀ o.
Gbọ́ ohùn alóore, Odùduwà ló ń pè.
Ìbàràpá, Ilé Ẹ̀gbádò, ẹ̀yìn Ọ̀ṣun, ẹgbóhùn Ifẹ̀ o.
Gbọ́ ohùn alóore, Odùduwà ló ń pè.
Ẹ̀yin Ìjẹ̀bú ọmọ Àlárẹ̀ o, ẹ̀yin Ẹ̀sán ọmọ Ìṣàbí.
Gbọ́ ohùn alóore, Odùduwà ló ń pè o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ọjọ́ ayọ̀ súnmọ́lé o.
Tó mo kó nílé mo kálejò, mo kí lọ́kùnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo kí lóbìnrin. Ẹ rí orin bàbá wa Ògúndé, olóyè olóògbé Hubert Ògúndé, orin wọn ni mo fi wọlé lónìí. Ohun tí wọ́n sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá ní agbára Olódùmarè ó fẹ́ẹ́ ṣẹmọ wa lára náà. Ẹ ṣá jẹ́ ká ṣe sùúrù. Ọjọ́ ayọ̀ Yorùbá súnmọ́lé tán, a sì jọ rẹ́rìn papọ̀ ni, a ní dẹni àwátì nígbà tí ire ayọ̀ Yorùbá bá dé. Tó mo kókùnrin mo kóbìnrin mo kó nílé mo kálejò, mo kí oyún inú mo káṣẹ bí, mo kí ládéládé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo kí lóyè lóyè. Ètò kan ètò gbàgede ìmọ̀, ètò bàbá gbàgede ìmọ̀ TV òun náà ló mà tó gorí afẹ́fẹ́ lónìí. Ẹ bá mi ké sálára, ẹ ké sájèrò, ẹ ké sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀gbìn ilé ìlà. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wọn mọ̀ wípé ètò bàbá gbàgede ìmọ̀ TV ó mà kò ti déta o. Ẹ bá wa ké sí gbogbo wọn. Mo fàsìkò yìí kí gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí káàkiri ayé pàápàá jùlọ ojú ọmọ Yorùbá, gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ wà nílùú Nàìjíríà mo kí gbogbo yín, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílùú Áfíríkà káàkiri mo kí yín, bákan náà ni pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ wà jákèjádò orílẹ̀ àgbáyé, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà l'Amẹ́ríkà, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà London, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Europe, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà l'Asia, àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà káàkiri ayé, gbogbo yín náà ni mo kí o. Èmi ọmọ yín ọmọ bàbá tíṣà Láwìyé Adébáyọ̀ Sàbúrì ọmọ bàbá tíṣà l'Abẹ́òkúta, olóòtú ètò Gbàgede Ìmọ̀, òun náà ni mo mà tún dóde lónìí. A tún ti kó dé bìbà, ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé tàbí kẹ́ fìdílé nǹkan, kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ àjọ jẹ̀gbáládùn ètò tuntun tá a tún kó dé lónìí bìbà, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ tukọ̀ tòní. Mo máa ń sọ gbogbo ìgbà wípé ẹ wo ibi tí wọ́n kọ subscribe sí, ẹ bá mi tẹ̀ ẹ́. Bákan náà ni wípé ibi tí wọ́n fi àmì aago, ìyẹn ní notification bell, ẹ tẹ̀ yẹn náà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa fi fóònù pè mí, bàbá èwo tún ni latest, èwo tún ni latest nílé pè mí nígbà tẹ́ bá ti tẹ notification bell. Eléyìí á lè máa wá notify yín gbàkigbà tí Gbàgede Bàbá Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ bá tún ti jáde sórí YouTube. Ẹ tẹ subscribe kẹ́ ẹ sì tẹ notification bell. Méjèèjì á lè jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ dára wa, á lè jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé channel yìí o àtúntì ju fídíò mi síbẹ̀. Ẹ wá rẹ́yìn tẹ́ wà ní channel Gbàgede Ìmọ̀. Mo ń sọ gbogbo ìgbà pé by the end of this month lágbára Ọlọ́run, end of August, a máa kúrò lórí channel yẹn. Ẹ kúrò lórí channel yẹn, ẹ má subscribe síbẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹ máa bọ̀ lórí Bàbá Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV. Ẹ wá bá wa subscribe síbẹ̀ kájọ kọ́mọ lùbọ́. Ẹ kúrò lórí Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ channel torí pé lágbára Ọlọ́run tó ṣù ìbá máa fi jálẹ̀, a máa delete Gbàgede Ìmọ̀. Kódà gbogbo videos tó wà lórí ẹ̀ pátá la máa kó kúrò, kí ìwọ bá máa wá dẹni tí ò ní máa rí wa wò mọ́. Ó ṣe máa bọ̀ lónìí kó wá darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí Bàbá Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV. Tó bá wá fẹ́ darapọ̀, o nídìí kó máa search kiri. Ìwọ sá wo ìsàlẹ̀ fídíò tó ń wò yìí, wo sàlẹ̀ wàá rí link ńbẹ̀, just click on that link, ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ló máa gbé ẹ lọ sí inú channel wa tuntun tá a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wà. Mo kí yín káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i. Ó yá, ẹ jẹ́ kí a jọ gbé ọkọ̀ tòní, kájọ gbé sójú agbami, kájọ túkọ̀ tòní. Ẹ rí pé mo fún wa ní breaking news wípé àwọn sùmọ̀mí, àwọn jàǹdùkú, àwọn oníjàmbá, àwọn darandaran tí wọ́n di darandaran, mo sọ fún wa pé wọ́n máa lọ sínú NDA, Nigeria Defence Academy. Wọ́n lọ dọ̀yà há wọn bẹ̀ o. Kódà kì í ṣe pé wọ́n dọ̀yà há wọn nìkan, wọ́n pa inú àwọn àmì yẹn, wọ́n pa méjì, wọ́n sì gbé kan lọ. Pẹ̀lú ìbànújẹ́ ni mo fi ń sọ fún wa pé èyí tí wọ́n gbé lọ yìí, àwọn darandaran tó dọ̀daràn yìí mà ti pa. Ó bà mí nínú jẹ́ gan láti sọ fún wa pé wọ́n ti gbé pa o, wọ́n ti pa méjọ̀ yìí. Mo fẹ́ ka news náà fún wa kí a lè fetí wa gbọ́, torí pé oríṣiríṣi làwọn èèyàn ti ń sọ nípa ẹ̀. Eléyìí fi, kódà ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí fi hàn wá the level of insecurity in this country. Ipò tí wọ́n ń pè ní insecurity, àìsí ààbò, ó ti fi hàn wá irú ipò tí àìsí ààbò wà. Kò sí tó ń jẹ́ ààbò mọ́ rárá ní Nàìjíríà. Ẹ jẹ́ á gbàgbé ẹ̀ pé ààbò kù nílùú yìí, torí kò síbi tó safe mọ́. Kódà ẹnìkan sọ débi wípé ṣebí wọ́n ti lọ sí NDA, wọ́n succeed, ó l'Aso Rock ló kàn tí wọ́n máa kọjá sí. Ìgbà tí mo gbọ́rọ̀ yẹn mo rẹ́rìn, torí pé mi ò mọ nǹkan, èmi ò mọ ibi tó tún kù sí mọ́. Nigeria Defence Academy, tí wọ́n bá sọ pé ibi tí security parí sí ní Nàìjíríà, inú NDA yìí ni. Gbogbo arms of security ló wà ńbẹ̀, Navy wà ńbẹ̀, Air Force wà ńbẹ̀, àwọn Army wà ńbẹ̀. Kí ló tún kù? Those are the 3 types. Then àwọn ọlọ́pàá tún wà ńbẹ̀. Ṣáwọn tó ń ṣe training ní ká sọ, àbí Amórì tó wà ńbẹ̀ ibi tí wọ́n ń tọ́jú àwọn ọ̀bọ̀n, tọ́jú nǹkan sí ní ká sọ, àbí àwọn lọ́gà tí wọ́n dìhà ogun mọ́ra tí wọ́n wà ńbẹ̀. Kí àwa sọ pé àwọn bandit wá wọbẹ̀ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́, wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn, wọ́n tún gbé kan lọ débi kan tún lọ pa, ni wọ́n fi ń rumigate gbogbo bẹ̀, ni wọ́n fi ń wá bẹ̀ tó ń sọ pé àwọn bandit yìí ò tí ì jáde. Àmọ́ ta ni bandit? Kì í ṣe àwọn ara wọn náà ni. Kódà kan má tí ì jáde, ṣé wọn ò ní fẹ̀yìn pọ̀ wọ́n jáde? Mò ń bọ̀. Soldiers manning CCTV slept off on duty, allowing bandits to enter. Ìdí rèé o tí wọ́n fi sọ pé àwọn bandits fi wọlé. Wọ́n ní báwo ni wọ́n ṣe wọlé. Wọ́n ní ẹni tó máa ń monitor CCTV tó wà ní sẹ́ńtírì wọ́n ló ti sùn lọ ló fà á. Wọ́n sáré nǹkan wí. Mò ń bọ̀. It has been revealed that a mistake by soldiers manning the closed circuit television CCTV gave bandits access to the Nigerian Defence Academy (NDA). According to Vanguard, the military personnel in charge of the CCTV were fast asleep when bandits attacked the premises on Tuesday, killing 2 officers, an Air Force flight lieutenant and a naval lieutenant commander. They killing 2 officers, an Air Force flight lieutenant and a naval lieutenant commander. Also, an army major was abducted and later killed. Sources said the bandits invaded the Afaka barracks at about 1 a.m., killing the 2 officers identified as Lieutenant Commander Wula and Flight Lieutenant Okoronko, while abducting Major Stephen Dantong. It was gathered last night that the bandits have already contacted the NDA authority and are demanding the payment of ransom put over 100 million. A source said that the soldiers on guard duties have been arrested and will be court-martialed for the security breach, while a major sustained gunshot wound is being treated at the NDA MRS. The bandits were said to have entered the barracks through a broken part of the NDA fence before moving to perpetrate their act and also escaping without any serious confrontation. Recall that the NDA permanent site at Afaka, situated just opposite the Federal Forestry College, where 39 students were recently kidnapped by bandits, is located on the notorious Birnin-Gwari axis and forest, where several bandit camps are said to operate from. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí la gbọ́ yìí o, àti orúkọ Dantong tí wọ́n abduct tí wọ́n gbé lọ. Wọ́n kọ́kọ́ béèrè 100 million. Ó mà ṣe o. Bandits wọ́n negotiate pẹ̀lú àwọn tí wọ́n yẹ kí wọ́n jẹ́ elétò ààbò. Láwọn tó yẹ kí Nàìjíríà gbọ́kànlé tó yẹ kó jó lórí ààbò nílùú yìí. Bandits wá negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn pé sójà yín tá gbé o, major yín tá gbé o, 100 million la fẹ́ gbà. Wọ́n ti ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan sọ̀rọ̀ tọ̀tọ̀ ti padà nù. Wọ́n ti padà Dantong yẹn lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀. A whole major nínú barracks, kì í tún ṣe ordinary barracks, nínú institutions of security. Where is the security in this country? Ẹjọ́ ìdáàbòbò dà. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ ìdáàbòbò nílùú yìí, zero ni mo fún ìjọba tó wà lórí oyè. Kò sí ìdáàbòbò mọ́ rárá. Oníkálukú ló sunkún. Ṣé nígbà tí àṣà ti ń wọlé nísìn gbé ọmọ ajá, ẹjọ́ kí ni kọ́ máa dìyẹ máa wá ṣe o? Nígbà tí wọ́n lè ní confidence láti lọ wọ inú NDA for that matter. Tí wọ́n bá sọ pé security pọ̀ sí Nàìjíríà yìí, NDA ni. Wọ́n wọnú NDA yẹn lọ, wọ́n lọ gbé odindi èèyàn, wọ́n tún pa àwọn méjì síbẹ̀. At the end of the day sí, ẹnì kẹta gan wọ́n tún ti pa sí. Mo fẹ́ wo kí níjọba ìfẹ́ ṣe sí. Excuse ìtọ́ gífù ni wọ́n lẹ́ni tó ń ṣọ́ CCTV camera ti sùn. Ẹjọ́ ṣẹ́ nìkan ṣó yẹn ni wọ́n ní ni tó jẹ́ elétò ààbò nínú bẹ̀. Kò dẹ̀ sọgbọ́n ẹ̀ kó má rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò sọgbọ́n ẹ̀ kó má rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìdí tó máa fi rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wípé àwọn tí wọ́n wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, àwọn tí wọ́n jó lórí náà ni. Tí wọ́n jó lórí àwọn àmì. Gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n wà wí ẹ̀ báwọn ẹni yìí mọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ni kan tá fẹ́ ṣe sí rúùlù tá wà ní? Instead kí wọ́n mójútó ètò ààbò, Ìgbòho ni wọ́n lé kiri àtàwọn ọmọ lẹ́yìn ẹ̀. Ẹjọ́ ṣé Ìgbòho ló tún lọ kó bandit wá? Ṣé Ìgbòho ló tún lọ kó bandit wá sìn? Ìtó yẹ ìtọ́ ní kò bó ṣọ́ kò ṣọ́ ṣòkòtò tán ní kòbóbọ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ ní tán ń ṣọ́ káàkiri ilẹ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe máa bá ti Yorùbá jẹ́ ni wọ́n ń ṣọ́ kiri. Àṣírí ló ń tú díẹ̀díẹ̀ tẹ́ rí yìí o, oríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn ti wá sọ àìmọye ọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí lóríṣiríṣi làwọn èèyàn ti sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí torí pé ó ń bàyàn nú jẹ́ látànà, kò ṣeé gbọ́ sétí, kò ṣe tó ṣeé gbọ́. Ìkan nínú àwọn gọ́fúnà tó wọ́n sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ó yà mí lẹ́nu. Ó ní ṣe bí Ṣàgàrí ó ní Fúlàní ni, ó ní Musa Yar'Adua tó kú ó ní ṣe bí Fúlàní ni. Ó lọ́rọ̀ ò bàjẹ́ báyìí, wọn ò Fulanize Nàìjíríà tó le tó yìí. Mò ń bọ̀. Shagari was a Fulani president. Yar'Adua was a Fulani president. But they did not try to Fulanize Nigeria like Buhari, Otom. Benue State Governor Samuel Otom has again sharply criticized President Muhammadu Buhari's approach to national and tribal matters. According to him, Buhari is not only performing poorly in security, he is also Fulanizing the country. Speaking on Channels Television on Tuesday, Otom said this was not the case during the tenures of Nigeria's earlier Fulani president, such as Shehu Shagari and Umaru Musa Yar'Adua. He said, Mr. President is pushing me to think that what they say about him, that he has a hidden agenda in this country, is true, because it is very clear that he wants to Fulanize, but he is not the first Fulani president. Shagari was a Fulani president. Yar'Adua was a Fulani president, and they were the best in the history. But President Buhari is the worst president when it comes to issue of security and keeping his promises. Go back to 2015. What did he say? Human rights issues. He talked about press freedom, about the economy, corruption, security. Tell me one that Mr. President has achieved. He has achieved some level of development in other sectors, but these prominent things that are concerns to Nigerians and we are all worried about. Tell me when Mr. President has come out to address them. Is it corruption? We are worse in the history of this country. Ṣé ti gbọ́ báyìí? Ìta wá kà jáde yìí, Gọ́fúnà Tọ́mú ní tí wọ́n bá ń sọ pé olólórí tó wà ń bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí ni the worst. Olóhùn ló ní ò ṣe é gbọ́ sétí pé lórí leléyìí ní in terms of security. Wọ́n ní n tó yà wọ́n lẹ́nu ni pé ṣebí Ṣàgàrí, ṣebí Fúlàní ni. Bákan náà ni Yar'Adua, Fúlàní ni. Wọ́n ní nínú olórí, wọ́n ní they are both the best. Pé but káwo tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Mo fẹ́ fi fídíò in tí mo sọ tán yìí níbi tí Ọ̀tọ́mú ti sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọmú náà sọ yàtọ̀ sí tí mo kà jáde yìí. Gbogbo náà la kú mọ̀ pé nínú sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ nínú àwọn tí wọ́n bá ìjọba yìí fà Ọ̀tọ́mú jẹ́ kan nù wọn. Nìkan bá ní gọ́fúnà tó ń sòdodo tó sì dúró tòdodo ẹ̀, Gọ́fúnà Tọ́mú jẹ́ kan. Mo ń padà bọ̀. Gọ́fúnà Tọ́mú ẹ jẹ́ á gbọ́ wọn.
To say that I'm disappointed with the presidency. One, we expect that we're in a democratic governance, and the presidency would have understood this. Some weeks ago, Mr. President challenged Nigerians that whether he is not ruling this country according to rule of law. And I came up swiftly and said that, Mr. President, if some people are deceiving you, let me tell you the fact on ground. You are not ruling this country according to the rule of law in all aspects. Some aspects, yes, but in other aspects, you're not doing it. And here we are. Let me tell you, is Mr. President not having an Attorney General to advise him on what the law says about land administration Everybody knows I'm not a lawyer, and I must not be a lawyer to know what land administration in Nigeria is, because there is a Land Use Act enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And it amazes me for Mr. President to come out to say that he will revive obsolete grazing reserves and grazing routes. Where are you going to have that? I have had personal conversation with our president, and I've had personal conversation with Mr. President handlers. And I have said, look, when we had grazing routes and grazing reserves, what was the total population of Nigeria? Less than 40 million. This was when it was initiated. But then it was as a result of the laws governing northern Nigeria. Today, as I talk to you, we're over 200 million people. So how do you expect the same thing? The land that used to exist have not increased. It is the same 923,000 square kilometers that we had, but even less because of the ceding of Bakassi to other parts, to the Cameroons. Now, you are talking about in 2021, you're saying that open grazing should supersede every other activities of government, whether it is schools, settlements of our people, roads construction, and other markets and other activities of human beings. Then I begin to wonder, how are we going to achieve this? So if Mr. President respects the law, the Land Use Act gives the governors the power to preside over land administration on behalf of the people that they govern. And so that is where we are. It's amazing, and I'm surprised to hear this coming from Mr. President, as if he doesn't have an attorney general, as if he doesn't have lawyers around him to advise him. I think Mr. President was misquoted, or he did it out of error. And he should come out and apologize to Nigerians, because there is no basis whatsoever for this to be going on when we know we have a constitution and the laws that are available. The point is very simple. We have National Economic Council. This is Mr. President's council, inaugurated by him and chaired by the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The 36 governors and some key ministers, including Minister of Federal Capital Territory, are members of this council. We saw this coming, and we sat down and said, how can we resolve this? The entire council came out with a resolution and let us establish a committee that will go around and assess the situation and come back with recommendations that will help curb these problems that we have in Nigeria today. The committee did this work. They came to Benue State. All the stakeholders were invited and they participated. And it was resolved at the end of the day, after visiting several states, that ranching should be adopted. But where states that have enough land to do open grazing, they should do it. If they want Ruga, they should do it. If they want cattle colony, they should do it. If they want open grazing, whatever they want, they should do it. But state by state case should be respected based on their peculiarities. And this is what we came out with. And the policy was adopted by National Economic Council. But Mr. President chose not to implement the resolution of this council. But rather, you hear about Ruga, you hear about cattle colony, you hear about open grazing and all that. And if today in Nigeria, the whole country, whether south and north, majority of the states in the north, not all, have accepted that ranching should be adopted because of the challenge we have in security and all that. Because if you like it or not, today banditry, kidnappings, armed robbery, and so on is associated with open grazing. And the entire state majority of it, which it means democracy, it must not be everybody. We have accepted that ranching should be adopted as a model to help curb insecurity, to help curb the problem of farmers and herders and all that. And if Mr. President, with all the array of very responsible people around him, will not advise him, and he will come out with a statement that he is reviving open grazing and also reviving cattle routes and grazing areas. Then it amazes me. I'm surprised. Are we in a banana republic?
Yeah, but Your Excellency, let me just follow up on something in your opening remarks when you said you had spoken with the president and on a separate occasion, his handlers on a separate occasion. So what was his response when you spoke to him about this?
His response, Mr. President has a set mind. Let me tell you, I have spoken to him personally. And his outing publicly also confirms what he told me. Mr. President believes that for peace to reign in Nigeria, there must be open grazing. There must be provision for cattle routes. There must be provision for grazing areas. And according to him, Mr. President feels that those grazing areas that were enacted, especially in the northern states, and cattle routes, those who have encroached on it, because I raised it with him, and he insisted that those who have encroached on it should be relocated. And that was why I told him that, look, we're no longer in the 50s. We're no longer in the 60s because the population have overgrown the land what we have. Land is not increasing, but today we have over 200 million people compared to the less than 40 million we had in the 1950s. So there is no way we can talk about open grazing. In my state, for instance, there is no land for open grazing, but there is land for ranching. And this is the global best practice. If we accept this problem will be over. And that is why most of my colleagues, in fact, the entire of my colleagues, irrespective of their party affiliation from the South, accepted that, look, the way to go, it is ranching. Most of the states in the North have also accepted that, look, the way to go, it is ranching. And I have recommended to Mr. President and his handlers that, look, just like we subsidize agriculture and provide subsidy for fertilizer and all that, we can do the same thing for herdsmen because ranching, it can be a little bit expensive compared to open grazing. So we can actually help our herders by ensuring that we have subsidy for in terms of water we provide because their cattle takes a lot of water, in terms of fees that we provide. And we can devise several other ways. And I can assure you, I'm a farmer and I know the challenges that we're talking about. I have a ranch. And I know the problems accompanying this. But at the same time, I know the potentials that we have. This is another way that we can provide millions of opportunities, millions of jobs, and also empower our people who, for now, when they cultivate rice and harvest the straw or soya beans, when they harvest the straw and all that, is wasted and it is burnt. This can be turned into feeds. That is what I use in my ranch. And I've been saying that we can do all this. But Mr. President doesn't believe that. So I was not too surprised, but I was disappointed that after the entire country is talking about ranching. You have heard what Raji said, and many other responsible Nigerians who want this to be solved. But because I think Mr. President is pushing me to think that what they say about him, that he has a hidden agenda in this country, it is true because it is very clear that he wants to Fulanize. But he is not the first person who was Fulani president. Shagari was Fulani president. Yaradua was Fulani president. They were the best president in the history. But President Buhari is the worst president when it comes to issues of security and keeping his promises. Go back and check in 2015. What did he say? Human rights issues He talked about press freedom. He talked about the economy. He talked about corruption. He talked about security. Tell me one thing that Mr. President have achieved. He has achieved some level of development in other sectors. But truly, these prominent things that is a concern to Nigerians, and we're all worried. Tell me where Mr. President have come out to address this matter. Is this corruption? We are worse in the history of this country. That corruption
it's interesting. Your Excellency, it's interesting that you also score him well in some areas, at least said in some other sectors.
I'm an objective person, and I always say the truth.
Right. So I imagine that when this came out, maybe when the president first mentioned, these grazing routes during that interview a while back, you must have gone back in time as well to look at that law of 6465, which is applicable at that time to northern Nigeria. And I'd like to find out what you found out, especially for Benue State. I mean, you've been at the receiving end of this, the farmer herders squabbles for some time now. What did you find out regarding those old grazing reserves? How much of them are in Benue State, because they say 360 something across 25 states, but how much of those old grazing reserves are in Benue State?
My brother, let me tell you, there is no grazing reserves. They are just trying to impose it on Benue as of today, just to punish us for our stand against the colonization agenda of Mr. President. That is it. There has not been any gazetted grazing reserve or grazing route here in Benue State. Why is Mr. President trying to impose his will on Benue people? This will not be accepted. But even if the grazing reserves and grazing routes were applicable to Benue State, today we are no longer in the 60s. We are no longer in the 50s. And there is an act regulating land administration in Nigeria, which gives the governors powers to preside over land. There is no politics. It is not Mr. President. This is a federation. Mr. President has his own responsibility, and we have our own. What we do is to complement each other. If federal government wants land, as I talk to you, and I have been given to them, they will apply. From me, in Benue State here, all the federal government agencies who apply for land, we give them. But it is through the land administration in Benue State. So that law, it is no longer applicable to Benue State. It is no longer applicable to other parts of Nigeria. And I think that Mr. President is wrong. And that is why I say that the lawyers around him, very senior lawyers, very responsible people, why can't they advise Mr. President that what you're saying is wrong? They should be able to advise him before this thing happens, because it's contradictory. Let me tell you, even Mr. President accepts ranching. Or is it because he comes from Katsina State that he can give 6.5 billion naira for ranching and come back to say that other states must do open grazing? And you also heard the governor of Katsina State who said that open grazing is un-Islamic. Katsina State is predominantly an Islamic state. And he said that open grazing is un-Islamic. So is the Bible. In Exodus, the Bible bans open grazing. That is even before we came here.
So, Governor Benue State, òun náà la gbọ́ tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. In tó yẹ èmi náà lẹ́nu fúnra mi, ó ní pé kí ló dé tọ́rọ̀ worst tó báyìí. Mo rántí pé ńgbà tí ìjọba ìgorí oyè, ohun tí wọ́n sọ fún wa ni wípé àwọn máa mójútó security, àwọn máa mójútó ààbò aráàlú, wípé àwọn máa make sure pé a sùn báyìí ojú wa méjèèjì a dì tá a sì ń han ọrùn. Ṣùgbọ́n tó yà mí lẹ́nu lénìí ni pé kódà ibi tó worst dé aláwọn olè tí ń kọ lẹ́tà, ìyẹn ò ṣe tuntun náà láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjọba yìí ló lè tí ń kọ lẹ́tà sádùúgbò níbi tí wọn ò bẹ̀rù dé tí wọ́n ti bà security jẹ́ dé, wọ́n tún kọ sínú lẹ́tà ẹ̀ pé ẹni lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ o àwọn ò rán yín iṣẹ́ o. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ mo ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, àdúgbò kan wà ní Abẹ́òkúta, wọ́n sọ pé Olóròǹbó wọ́n lọ́lọ́sàn ní Lẹ́mẹ̀ l'Abẹ́òkúta. Ní tí wọ́n pè mí lénìí tí wọ́n sọ fún mi, ó jẹ́ ní tó yà mí lẹ́nu, tó bà mí lẹ́rù. Olè amrọ̀bà ó kọ lẹ́tà sí wọn ní àdúgbò wọn. wọ́n ní pé àkíyèsí pàtàkì fún gbogbo olùgbé ní ọlọ́sàn community. Àwa ọ̀gá ń bọ̀ o, à ń bọ̀ wá kí yín láìpẹ́. Bí ó bá wù yín kí ẹ lọ sọ fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá, ìyẹn kò kàn wá o. Ẹnikẹ́ni tí a bá wọ ilé rẹ̀ tí kò rí owó gidi fún wa, ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ yóò bọ́ sí i. Tàbí kí owó àti ẹ̀mí onítọ̀hún kí ó já dànù. Ẹ múra sílẹ̀, à ń bọ̀ wá. Ṣé ẹ̀rí pa àti gbá bó báyìí nílùú Nàìjíríà? Àwọn alọ́kó ló ń kígbe, àwọn amúrọ̀bà ni wọ́n kọ lẹ́tà sí community kan yìí. Kódà ẹ̀rù ò bà wọ́n rárá. Wọ́n tún sọ fún wọn pé tó bá wù yẹn lọ sọ fọlọ́pàá. Torí pé ọlọ́pàá ò lẹ́nu ń bẹ̀ ń bi táwa bá ti ń sọ̀rọ̀. Àbí kí ni wọ́n mean? This is the level of insecurity can witness nílùú yìí. Ṣé bí nǹkan táwọn Ìgbòho ń sọ rèé? Wípé àfi ká kọ́kọ́ address issue yìí náà. Láì jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ kí Yorùbá máa lọ, àwọn fẹ́ lọ. Tẹ́ ẹni kó mórí wá kó fọrùn lẹ̀. Tẹ́ ẹ kó àwọn ọmọ lẹ́yìn ẹ̀, tẹ́ ẹ pa àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni dànù. Àwọn tí wọ́n pa yẹn sìn, àìgbọ́n kankan nípa wọn o. Àmọ́ whereabout wọn o. Bẹ̀t ká kọ́kọ́ lé ẹlẹ́yọ̀rọ̀ lọ́nà, ká tó wá fàbọ̀ fàdìyẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn méjèèjìlá tí wọ́n kó nílé ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ jáde ná. Ká tó wá béèrè irú ikú tó pa àwọn méjì tó kù, torí wọn ò pa wọ́n gbé wọn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ béèrè níbo ni wọ́n kó wọn sí. Kí lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọn gan tí ẹ fi pa wọ́n? Ó yẹ kí Nàìjíríà béèrè. Ó yẹ kí ọmọ Nàìjíríà béèrè. Ikú tẹ́ ẹ fi pa àwọn ẹni kí ni wọ́n ṣe? Ikú tí ẹ fi pa wọ́n kí ni wọ́n ṣe? Kí lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọn? Ó là ń gbọ́ yìí o. Boko Haram kí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ sí ojú ọ̀nà, Boko Haram ni wọ́n tún fún ní amnesty káàkiri. Àwọn tí wọ́n ti pa gbèjégbèjọ ni wọ́n tún fún amnesty. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìgbòho náà ni mo ṣì wà. Arákùnrin kan, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo fẹ́ mọ reaction ẹ̀ ní èèyàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ sọ yìí. Bóyá ó dáa ní o, bóyá kí Ìgbòho má dánwò o. Mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ká jọ sọ o. Torí pé arákùnrin kan, wọ́n ní èyí tó ń àwọn jù òun náà ni pé kí Ìgbòho kó máa bọ̀ Nàìjíríà. Nígbà tí mo ka ìròyìn yẹn, èmi gan wà shocked wípé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀, kí ni kí Ìgbòho wá ṣe. Wọ́n nítorí pé akọgi ni Ìgbòho kò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣojo. Wọ́n ní akọgi kì í ṣoje. Wọ́n ní ọmọ akin ni Ìgbòho tí ò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣojo. Wọ́n nítorí ẹ̀ ohun àwọn kí ó máa bọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà o. Arákùnrin yìí ní ohun òun wípé kí Sunday Igboho kó padà sílùú Nàìjíríà o tí wọ́n bá ti dálẹ̀ níbẹ̀nẹ̀. I want Igboho back in Nigeria. Yoruba are not known to be cowards. Olúṣẹ́gun Bámgbóṣé ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ a gbọ́ nǹkan tó wí. I want Igboho back in Nigeria. Yoruba are not known to be cowards. Olúṣẹ́gun Bámgbóṣé. Olúṣẹ́gun Bámgbóṣé, who is the national coordinator of Concerned Advocate for Good Governance, CAGG, has kicked against how the popular Yoruba activist and human rights fighter Sunday Adeyemo Igboho wants to escape to Germany over the fear of being extradited to Nigeria. According to the Daily Post, Bámgbóṣé makes it known that he is not happy with how Sunday Igboho is not standing in Nigeria as a real hero. He further made it known that he is a true fan of one Nigeria, but Sunday Igboho had every right to agitate for the better life of his people. First further urges the federal government to handle the agitators with care and volunteers himself to be a lawyer for Sunday Igboho if the federal government arraigns him to the court in order to make sure that he gets justice. Remember that Sunday Igboho was declared wanted earlier this month after the Nigerian police attacked his house, which is located in the Soka area of Ibadan, the capital city of Oyo State. After he was declared wanted last month, Igboho attempted to escape to Germany, but he was arrested in the Benin Republic, and since then the federal government has been planned to transfer him to Nigeria to face the judge over the 3 wrongs he committed. While Igboho's lawyers are making every effort to make sure that he remains in Benin Republic or escapes to Germany, Bangoshe continued that many people have been arrested in Nigeria and gained freedom within a short period of time, and that proves that his case is not the first one. He should stop running because Yorubas are not cowards. Obasanjo was once thrown into prisons by Sani Abacha, but finally he became president of Nigeria. He said Yoruba are not known for cowardice. Sunday Igboho should come back to Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu is already in Nigeria. I want Igboho back in Nigeria. Yorubas are not known to be cowards. If what someone believes is not worth suffering and dying for, then it's not worth pushing. It's not worth pursuing. He further urges the people that are telling Sunday Igboho to run away to stop because they are not helping the matter. He said Igboho should act like the real hero that he is. Nigeria is his father's land, and he shouldn't be afraid of coming back. Although I am a true fan of Nigeria, I promise to be his lawyer to make sure that he is saved. Irú eléyìí mi pè ní misfeeling torí pé tarákùnrin sọ yìí àkọ́kọ́ náà lè jẹ́ páńpẹ́ láti fi mú gbọ́ Sunday Igboho. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé ó lè jẹ́ bóun ṣe rò nìyẹn wípé dandan ni fún Sunday o pé ọmọ akin kì í ṣojo akọ́gíní tí ò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣoje pé dandan àfi kó máa padà nílùú abínibí ìlú bàbá rẹ̀ kó má sá lọ sí Germany. Ṣùgbọ́n o lọ́dọ̀ tèmi o everything is not normal in this country. Tèmi fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ everything is ká ní pé ibi tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan normal tí wọ́n ń tẹ̀lé rule of law tó bá wá kóòtù tí ní kó má fi sílẹ̀ kó má fi ṣe kankan tí ò sì tó fẹ́ ṣe lámọ́ ṣé ní tí àṣà ti ń wọlé tó ń gbé ọmọ ajá òun náà ni òwà lè wọlé gbọ́mọ adìyẹ. Ṣé ní tí wọ́n lọ sínú NDA tí wọ́n ń gbèyàn gbé tí ò sì tó ṣẹlẹ̀ òun ni wọ́n máa wá rí Igboho lọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n wà yìí tí wọ́n ò ní dáná fún yá. Bàbá Igboho tí wọ́n bá dá ọlẹ̀ tètè máa lọ Germany jẹ́jẹ́. Tèmi rò nìyẹn o. Tí wọ́n náà bá wá rò kọ sí kọ́mẹ́ǹtì. Ṣùgbọ́n tèmi rò ní pé tarákùnrin sọ yìí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ò ta ni, ọ̀rọ̀ tí ò ní mínì ni. Ó lè sọ dáadáa lójú tiẹ̀, ó lè ro èrò dáadáa lọ́kàn tiẹ̀, àmọ́ lọ́dọ̀ tèmi tá a bá fi dídẹ́ èmi ó sọ fún Igboho pé kó rọra máa lọ Germany jẹ́jẹ́ tí Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè tó bá ti dá sílẹ̀ ní Benin Republic. Jẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Haúsá ilẹ̀ Àrẹwà ni wọ́n ti tako bí àwọn onísùmọ̀mí bí wọ́n ti ṣe wọnú NDA. Ó yà mí lẹ́nu pátápátá wípé in tó ń dùn mọ́ mi ni wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti kúrò lọ́rọ̀ Yorùbá nìkan kọ́, kódà àwọn Haúsá gan ti ń dá sí. Kódà nílùú Mr. President gọ́fúnà wọn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ náà ń pò wàhálà pẹ̀lú àwọn Fúlàní sìn. Northern Elders react to attack on NDA, says it collapse of Nigeria intelligence network. Abuja Northern Elders have reacted to alleged a failure of Nigeria intelligence network following Tuesday morning attack on the Nigeria Defence Academy NDA Kaduna by bandits. The Nigerian Army had confirmed the killings of 2 of its officers and abduction of a senior officer at the Nigeria Defence Academy NDA in Afaka, Kaduna State. Witnesses had said the bandits came in a large number in the early hours of Tuesday, killing an officer and leaving others with gunshot injuries, demanding the immediate sack of the National Security Advisor, NSA, Major General Babagana Mugono. The elders lamented that the development was an indication that no Nigeria is safe in this country. The Northern Elders in a statement also sought an in-depth review of the entire security architecture of the country stressing that the entire security chiefs must be blamed. The coalitions of Northern Elders for Peace and Development, CNEPD, in a statement signed by its national coordinator, Sana Goni, said that it was time for the president to do away with Mugono following the worsening insecurity in the country. The deteriorating security situations, according to coalition, is a sign that Mugono, who manages the nation's security, is not on top of his game. The statement criticized stakeholders in the region over the alleged long silence in the face of unbearable criminal acts by armed herdsmen and insecurity across the country, thereby giving a bad image of the region. We find it once more expedient to comment on the worsening security situations in the country, especially the latest attack on the military formation. The Nigeria Defence Academy, which is the institutions where future military leaders are trained. The fact that a fortified military institutions could be so easily invaded by armed militias without resistance has left us with the conclusion that no part of this country and no citizen, no matter his or her status, is safe again. Without missing words, we wish to attribute this ugly development to intelligence failure and gaps in the capacity of our armed forces. We wish to strongly say here that the attack is a slap on the Nigerian intelligence community and armed forces. The retention of the National Security Advisor, General Babagana Munguno, at the time the president said listening to the voice of reasoning and replace service chiefs, may contribute to the continuously deteriorating security situations in the country. As Northern Elders, we have found it very important to call on President Buhari to remove the National Security Advisor, Major General Babagana Muguno, retired, whose office and responsibilities are critical to the achievement of comprehensive security all over the country, but hasn't used the high esteem of his office in as product ways as since his appointment as National Security Advisor. The reason for this call is not far-fetched. We believe that Major General Muguno was part of the gross failure associated with the tenure of the former security chiefs, and the continued presence in office will make the success Buhari intended to achieve with the changes very difficult, if not completely impossible. Ní tí àwọn àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Àríwá, ní táwọn náà gbà lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń jẹ́ ìdáàbòbò nílùú Ìrè, lórí bí ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò ìlú yìí bó ṣe mẹ́hẹ̀. Mo ní fídíò kan bí arákùnrin kan, òun náà fi ìbínú sọ̀rọ̀ gan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ security ìlú yìí, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò ìlú yìí tó mẹ́hẹ̀. Mo ń padà bọ̀, mo fẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ọkùnrin náà sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò bó ṣe mẹ́hẹ̀ nílùú Nàìjíríà.
Nigerian military. But here you have a terrorists. People who have seen Nigerian military to be their number one enemies. People who have come out headlong to confront Nigerian military, killing them and other innocent people. They will just go and say they have surrendered, and then the next thing, Nigeria will still spend the taxpayers' money instead of prosecuting them according to the act of terrorism and probably hang them to death. Take them off the face of this country because they are terrorizing the people of Nigeria. Nigerian government will go aside the huge sum of money is spending on security because of this Boko Haram, will go and again spend more money rehabilitating them, and the worst of it, engage them into Nigerian military. If you are not seeing the danger I'm seeing, if our leaders, those side leaders I call them, from ethnic nationality, are not seeing the danger that will befall us in near future, I am putting it today. Some of us have sacrificed our life to say and put on the table nothing but the truth, and to help the near future. I see myself as a leader in near future, and I will not be leading a country that will be in total chaos. America, as powerful as they are, I've never heard when they will arrest ISIS and then think they will now re-engage ISIS into American military. It's not done. American military is instead infiltrate ISIS. They will instead infiltrate ISIS to get intelligence report and then nip it on the bud on whatever situation to curtail their excesses. But in the case of Nigeria, you are now seeing Boko Haram infiltrating the Nigerian military. And that is to tell you the danger that is lying ahead. In the next 10-20 years, mind you, we will have more than thousands of Boko Haram into our Nigerian military. Recycling insurgency, that is what I called it. And what it means, we have vibrant, able, committed youths of Nigerians. I give you an example with FCT. The last recruitment list I saw from Nigerian military, nobody, no indigenous of FCT was enlisted in the list I saw. We have so many youths who want to join Nigerian army, but the opportunity is not being given. But here is an insurgency giving automatic ticket to join Nigerian military. What is wrong in after sensitizing, rehabilitating them, engage them into what we call civilian JTF? What is so important that you make them officers of Nigerian military? There is danger lying ahead, and let Nigerian cities and wake up from their slumber. And our docile leaders of ethnic nationality wake up and speak when it's time. Now, the issue is just this. If you want to join Nigerian military now, how I see it, go join Boko Haram. After 1-2 months, surrender yourself. Nigerian military will bring you. They will go and do what they call rehabilitation and engage you. That's what it means. The multiplier effect is negative. It's very, very, very dangerous going ahead. And so I call on Nigerian people to again open their eyes and say no to this trend, ugly trend that is continuing in our society.
Ó wá ṣòkú yẹ kó sì padà látẹ̀kọ́ kó máa lọ sí Ọ̀yọ́ State, kó máa lọ sí Ìbàdàn, láti ìlú òyìnbó ló ti wá o, láti United Kingdom to be precise. Olóbìnrin Wálé ló wá ṣòkú yẹ ní last week lọ́sẹ̀ tó kọjá, kó sì máa padà lọ ní on the 19th oṣù tá a wà yìí, kó máa padà lọ sí ìlú Ìbàdàn ní Gúrúmàràjì gangan láti wọ ìlú Ìbàdàn. Ibẹ̀ ni àwọn agbénipa, àwọn Fúlàní darandaran tí wọ́n di darandaran ni wọ́n lọ gbé obìnrin pa. Mo fẹ́ ká listen sí ọ́díò yìí tí mo fẹ́ play, kẹ́ ẹ tún gbọ́ experience ẹlòmíì náà ní inú, torí ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá wà nílùú òkèèrè, ẹ̀yin gan lọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fídíò tí mo fẹ́ ọ́díò tí mo fẹ́ play fún wa yìí, ẹ̀yin gan lọ̀rọ̀ yìí bá wí o, ẹ̀yin gangan o náà ni ọ̀rọ̀ yìí bá wí. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dáadáa, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́, kẹ́ ẹ listen, torí pé tí ẹ bá ń padà bọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà, ọ̀rọ̀ àbó ti mẹ́rẹ̀ o, ẹrù yín tẹ́ ẹ bá dì, kẹ́ ẹ yá snap gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dì í. Mo fẹ́ play audio fún wa sìn, eléyìí kó jẹ́ security challenge fún èmi àti yín tá a bá ń padà bọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà láti ibikíbi tá a bá travel lọ, tó bá ti involve pé a máa di ẹrù tá a dẹ̀ máa wọ plane. Mo ń bọ̀, ẹ gbọ́ audio tí mo fẹ́ play yìí.
The program yìí is a live story mo sọ fún yìí. Ǹjẹ́ jẹ́ mọ̀ pé ní ìgbà tí mo dé Èkó, Murtala Airport, ẹ̀pá mẹ́ta mo sọ. Ǹjẹ́ jẹ́ mọ̀ pé báàgì mi tí mo gbé kúrò mo wá kan tí mi rí o. The biggest one tí nǹkan tí mi kí n kó fún family òun, àwa báàgì yẹn àárọ̀ Turkish Air ni wọ́n bá ṣe kíni, wọ́n bá gbé ìyẹn àwọn Turkish Air wọ́n ṣàdúgbòkè tó bá di second day àwọn àwa báàgì yẹn kì í má bínú. Okay, kò sí wàhálà, wọ́n ṣàfún mi ní búrọ́ọ̀ṣì kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ̀gẹ́ mi. Mo ti dé Ìkẹjà nílé ọ̀dọ̀ mi. Ǹjẹ́ jẹ́ mọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n bá pè mí ní nǹkan bí aago kan àbọ̀ lóru pé kí n máa bọ̀ pọ́n ti rí báàgì mi. 1:30 lóru kẹ̀ náà 2:30 lóru mo ní no mi lè lọ sí anywhere mọ́ mo sorry màá wá ní àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì ó bá dín nǹkan bíi 12 lọ́sùn mo bá lọ sí Nigeria airport mo ṣe dé Nigeria airport mo lọ sí cargo department ọ̀nàkó báàgì mi ni mo fẹ́ wá gbà wọ́n pè mí lánàá ni o jẹjẹ nǹkan bá dé wọn ní báàgì mi nìyẹn báàgì mi kọ́ rèé náà báàgì mi kọ́ rèé èmi kọ́ mo ní báàgì yìí kí n tó mọ nǹkan tó ṣe mo ti rí àwọn NDLA mo ti rí custom mo ti rí mobile mo ti rí àwọn SS wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ àdìmá kí ló dé mo ṣàgbọ́ tí yẹn dàgbé kẹ́yìn wọ̀ láì wọ́n dẹ̀ Bọ́bọ́lọ́lá ni Bọ́bọ́lọ́lá bàyí bàbá wọn láì that but this man ó ṣàn sọ lábẹ́lẹ̀ pé náà ẹni yìí ó tí ó ẹgẹ́ mi ó tí ó wọ́n ẹ̀yàn ṣe fà ẹ̀yìn kí náà
ṣé kò sí táàgì lára báàgì kẹ́ ẹ tó bẹ́ẹ̀.
àní táàgì tí mo gbé kúrò ní Germany tórúkọ mi wà níbẹ̀ òun náà lẹ̀ mọ́ báàgì tí ì ṣe báàgì mi kí ni mo fẹ́ fi wẹ̀ mọ́ wọ́n bá ní gbé báàgì wọ́n ní báàgì mi kọ́ rèé ní ìkànnà Haúsá yẹn wá sọ fún mi pé báàgì mi kọ́ orúkọ mi ló wà ń bẹ̀ yìí náà kí n mú pálí mi wá mo bá fi pálí mi wọ́n kí n má kọ́ tí n má fa ọ̀rọ̀ gùn ṣé ń gbọ́ mi ǹjẹ́ jẹ́ mọ̀ ẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè ló yọ mí àti bàbá mi àti ìyá mi ẹ̀wọ̀n ni ìbá wà lẹ́ni o wọ́n bá ṣí báàgì yẹn bèbè kí ló wà nù báàgì ẹrù ló wà nù báàgì o ẹrù ló wà nù báàgì o ẹrù ló wà nù báàgì mo bá lọ sí Turkish mo bá bẹ̀ sí gbà ní máa ṣe wádà pé ó ní irú mi kẹ̀ pé kí ni evidence pé mi kọ́ mo dé báàgì mo bá rántí mo ya fọ́tò báàgì mi kúrò ní Dusseldorf airport ó ní ọ̀dà mo bá fi wọ́n ṣé ń gbọ́ mi mo bá fi wọ́n mo bá ní yes o this is not the bag o ó rí date ó rí everything wọ́n pe máa kan wá máa yẹn bẹ̀ sí ń wò ó tò kìí ṣòro wọn ọ̀sán gangan ló ti yẹ bẹ́yẹn kánú òru ni wọ́n lè ṣe irú alẹ́ tí mo dán ní padà ní kánú tẹ̀ ó lè dín nǹkan míì wọ́n bá ṣe kí wọ́n ṣáà yẹ̀wò títí mẹ́rin padà pé ó ní Mr. Bọ́lá congratulation orí ìyá ẹ wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ ó ní kí n lọ sí Turkish yẹn kí n lọ declare lost luggage mo bá lọ síbẹ̀ mo bá bẹ̀ sí ń bá wọn fa wàhálà ọdún àlẹ́ ẹ̀ ló ń sọdá méjì o mo bá sọ fáwọn tí mo bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ wọ́n bá wọn fa wàhálà tó ní agbára sá àṣẹ ni máa kan lára wọn Haúsá wọ́n dà pé kí n bá wọn sọ fún torí ìyá àwọn Yorùbá ni ìyá àwọn tó bí àwọn Yorùbá ni pé kí n bá wọn sọ fún àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá ń bọ̀ nílé kí wọ́n jọ kó máa ya fọ́tò báàgì wọn pé àìmọye èèyàn báyìí tó ti wà lẹ́wọ̀n àbí tó máa ní kó padà wá lóru òru yẹn wọ́n ti gbé lọ nìyẹn o ẹlòmíà kọ̀ wà ọ́rì pé kó náà tẹ̀ gbé báàgì ẹlòmíì ó ti yé mẹ́yẹn agbé báàgì ẹlòmíì báyìí wọ́n á kọ̀ padà nù ní ọ̀dọ́ máa ń bọ̀ lóru yẹn wọ́n fi pàbúrò ló ti wá ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi wọ́n á kọ̀ padà nù ní. bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o ó máa yẹ mo fa tó dùn mí fún irú èèyàn báyìí o ó dùn mí fún màtí mo tẹ̀ ń ṣe ṣú ẹ̀.
tó àfikún Olódùmarè ó mà gbà wá n tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wàá lu òyìnbó tí ẹ bá ń padà bọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà ó lẹ tó gbọ́ yìí o wọ́n á lọ mú báàgì yín tí wọ́n ti lẹ táàgì mọ́ ṣẹ́yìn á ní kọ́pì lọ́wọ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ máa lẹ̀ kan mọ́ báàgì gbàdà tẹ́ bá ti ń gbé tí wọ́n ti tẹ̀ lọ kágo ẹ̀ báyìí làwọn ti máa ṣí táàgì yẹn kúrò wọ́n á ti lẹ̀ mọ́ báàgì míì ẹ̀yin ó sì ní táàgì lọ́wọ́ kan tó wá ṣerú ẹ̀ this is an advice ẹ jẹ́ kó ní kálukú wa látòní lọ tá a bá ti ń bọ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ yá make sure pé snap báàgì yín even while you are going back tẹ́ bá ń padà lọ sí abroad ẹ snap gbogbo bags tẹ́ bá ní gbogbo luggages àti hand luggage ni o àti tẹ́fẹ́ cargo ni o ẹ make sure pé snap gbogbo ẹ̀ ẹ ní copy ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ orí irú nǹkan báyìí irú àkóbá báyìí ni tárákùnrin yẹn ò bá rórí pé kóun snap báàgì òun á wà ní dágbà o, ẹni bá sì kú sógun kì í ròyìn ogun o. tó àfikọ́ Ọlọ́run má gbà wá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà. Láìpẹ́ láì jìnà Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí Nàìjíríà ní dókítà ẹyọ kan tó máa dúró lu ìmọ̀ o. Fídíò kan wà níbi tí mo fẹ́ ká wò. Jẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé gbogbo doctors Nàìjíríà báyìí 70% wọn ni wọ́n wà l'Abuja bí mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ní Sheraton Hotel l'Abuja. Kí ni wọ́n ṣe ń bẹ̀? Wọ́n ń ṣe interview. Níṣe làwọn Saudi dẹ̀ wọ Nàìjíríà wá. Nígbà tó ti rí bá ṣe ń ṣe doctor tí wá ń bí. Táwọn sì mọ pàtàkì doctor Nàìjíríà lọ́hùn. The best doctor in the world Nàìjíríà ni. Ẹ lọ sí UK, ẹ lọ sí America. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ pé nìkan kú Nàìjíríà, ó lọ sí America, ó lọ UK, ó lọ gba medical check up, ọwọ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà náà ló ti lọ gbà lọ́hùn. Because when there is no any conducive environment fún wọn láti operate in bí, they will have to export their brain. They will have to export their expatriate kúrò ní Nàìjíríà. Àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó wá lọ fowó wa lọ máa gba treatment tó yẹ ká gbà lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ bí, a máa lọ fowó lágbà lọ́wọ́ wọn. If Saudi government could have the God láti wọ̀lú Nàìjíríà wá, láti wá máa ṣe interview fáwọn doctors wa, ṣé kò yà ní lẹ́nu? Gbogbo wọn wà ní Sheraton sìn. Big consultant. Gbogbo consultant tó yẹ kó wúlò fún ìlú yìí, tó yẹ kó gbà wálẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àrùn àjàkálẹ̀ àrùn. But because they have been mismanaged, àwọn ẹni ní láti lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí wọ́n ti Saudi wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ wọ Nàìjíríà wá. Wọ́n wá ṣe interview fún àwọn doctors in Nàìjíríà. Àwọn consultant ńláńláńláńlá tó yẹ kí wọ́n wúlò fún wa. Láìpẹ́ yìí ni wọ́n wà ní strike. Wọ́n ò ṣe wọ́n dáadáa. Ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ pé gbogbo doctor Nàìjíríà ló ti ready láti sá lọ Saudi nísìn. Mo fẹ́ fi fídíò kan wá. Kẹ́ ẹ wo bí tí wọ́n ti ṣe interview fún gbogbo wọn, tí wọ́n ti ń gbé wọn kúrò nílùú yìí lọ sí ìlú Saudi. Ẹ rí pa gbà bó Nàìjíríà báyìí. Mo ń bọ̀.
These are familiar scenes at job recruitment exercises in Nigeria. There is a special difference in this particular instance though, as these are qualified medical doctors applying for jobs overseas, in Saudi Arabia to be precise. What you can see behind me right now is the process of the recruitment of Nigerian doctors by the Saudi Arabian authorities. This exercise is currently ongoing at the Sheraton Hotel and Towers right here in the Nigerian capital, Abuja. Nigerian resident doctors have been on strike for almost a month in their demand for better working conditions, and negotiations with the government have failed repeatedly. And the prospect of working for the Saudi government is now seen as a big escape.
The federal government is showing the cold shoulder attitude, doesn't show any kind of responsibility or being careful about the situation. I can't imagine, I can't believe my Honorable Minister of Health came out and he threatened us. So I think it does not make sense, or it doesn't make matter. I mean, it wasn't the situation. To be candid, we're very, very disappointed. I personally am disappointed. When I go to where I work in a very critical care services of the hospital. But basic things that we need, we don't have. Some things I used to put in my money to buy what I need, just for the sake of the patient. And to worsen the situation and to make the matter worse, and day by day, there is no any progress.
To escape from the hills in the society.
What do you mean by hills of society?
A lot of discouraging things. You see banditry, see kidnapping, incessant strike, and all those stuff. And if you can get a place where you can work, a place that is calm, a place where you can use your skill and you can be well enumerated, is it not better?
For Vivian Okolo here, it is more of a situation of heartbreak as she expresses frustration over the ever-worsening situation in the healthcare system, with this particular case in point.
I left medical school April 2011. My teacher is here. My own teacher, the first person I cited here, was my teacher, a seasoned pediatric consultant. You know what it means? My teacher that taught me how many years ago. I'm giving up on the country, on our leaders, and I come here to meet my teacher. I mean, this is the worst. I never knew it has gone this bad.
The brain drain by Nigerian doctors to the proverbial greener pastures has for long been a known fact, but having a foreign government conduct massive recruitment of Nigerian doctors in Nigeria is taking the issue to a whole new level, and there is no telling the likely far-reaching effects of this down the line. Godfrey Eshamoge, Galaxy News, Abuja.
tó ẹ káàbọ̀ padà ṣe ń ríran wò ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kárùn pa wá tán nàìjíríà o àbí nígbà táwọn doctors ti ń sá lọ nísìn tí lọ́tà ló tún wá kù tí ò ní sá lọ nàìjíríà gbogbo doctors nàìjíríà lẹ́ ń wò tí wọ́n lọ ń kọ̀ọ̀kan ìjèjì yìí bash by bash ní Saudi tún lórí láyà wọ nàìjíríà wá wọ́n á máa ṣe interview fáwọn doctors wa ta la fẹ́ blame píndẹ̀ báwọn ẹni tó fẹ́ lọ wí ṣé kí wọ́n jókòó síbí kí wọ́n máa jẹyà mọ́pọ̀mọ́pọ̀ mọ́ ètè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́kàn nu wọn tó lówó ọwọ́ ara wọn lòun tún fi ń ra nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ lò fún patient ní hospital ìjọba àwọn tó jó lórí jókòó sọ́run ó níye tí wọ́n ń pín lóṣooṣù tó ń bá wọn lọlé ètò ààbò kò sí ètò security kò sí ètò ìlera kò sí ẹjọ́ kí ló tún kù o àìmọye ìlú tó jẹ́ pé omi ti yọ gbẹ̀yìn sí kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ ọdún mẹ́ta tí ò sẹ́rọ̀ tí ò sí iná tí ò sí kankan gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ wọ́ sí kalẹ̀ wọ́n kàn rán kíjọba mójútó gbóhùn tá à ń sọ yìí Ìgbòho ni wọ́n ń lé kiri ó dẹ̀yìn òjò kọ́lọ́mbrẹ́là tó mọ̀ pé ẹrù ni ẹ wo wedding tọmọ wọn ṣe láìpẹ́ yìí wedding tí Yusuf ọmọ president ṣe láìpẹ́ yìí lára owó tí wọ́n bà nínú jẹ́ síbẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ ń pa fóònù dáadáa ẹjọ́ iPhone 12 tó èlò almost 600,000 ni wọ́n ń tà iPhone 12 500,000 plus kódà ẹnìkan ní 750,000 ni wọ́n ń tà pàápàá ẹ imagine àti iPad Apple méjèèjì ni wọ́n papọ̀ ni wọ́n fi ṣe souvenirs fáwọn èèyàn tó wá bá wọn ṣe wedding kì í ṣe souvenirs nìkan o wọ́n tún customize orúkọ wọn báyìí sí ara iPhone àti iPad òun ni wọ́n gbé fún àwọn èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan tó wá bá wọn ṣe wedding bẹ́ẹ̀ dókítà àwọn ò rí sálárì gbà hospital wa ò dáa tí n bá ń parọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ mò ń bọ̀ máa fi surveillance yẹn wọ̀nyí mò ń bọ̀ sí.
Wàhálà be like Jingle Bell, oh, hey, may God help us in Nigeria. So there's this video going viral now that that's Buhari's son's wedding, Yusuf and Zara, that took place on the 20th of August. I saw the video on our Youth Forum page, and then the souvenirs they shared at the party. It was iPhone 12 Pro and iPad, the latest iPad. Let me show you the video.
èyí tí wọ́n há níbi wedding ọmọ Buhari lẹ́rí yẹn àtọmọ àdùbáíró tán jọ ṣe wedding ọmọ olówó ẹ̀wọ̀n tán há àwọn doctors tó dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ wọn ò rówó gbà wọ́n sá lọ Saudi àfikọ́ lọ́wọ́n ẹlẹ́dàá kó gba ní situation tá bára wa nílùú ilẹ̀ rí yìí situation tá bára wa nílùú yìí ó lẹ̀ ń wò yìí ó ọ̀rọ̀ lé débi wípé kódà amúrọ̀bà ń kọ lẹ́tà South Sea community mo gbàgbé kí n sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan gọ́fúnà Ogun State ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá wa mọ̀ wọ́n ẹ bá wa pè wọ́n o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́sàn tí wọ́n kọ lẹ́tà sí yìí o kí wọ́n bá wa pèsè ààbò fún wọn ní ọlọ́sàn o because nǹkan táwọn amúrọ̀bà sọ yìí wọ́n á ṣe o ẹ bá wa sọ fún gómìnà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ gọ́fúnà Ogun State tẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń wo fídíò mi ẹ bá pe gọ́fúnà Ogun State kí wọ́n bá wa wá nǹkan ṣe sọ́rọ̀ àwọn ará ìlú ọlọ́sàn mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé àwọn community wọn náà wọn ní jókòó jẹ́jẹ́ wọ́n á lọ sí governor's office wọ́n á lọ sọ ẹ̀yin community ọlọ́sàn yìí náà ẹ má jókòó ẹ lọ sọ́dọ̀ governor, ẹ lọ sọ́dọ̀ commissioner of police kẹ́ ẹ lọ report. Kọ́sí tá a bá ní ká jẹ́ kí wèrè kó sì kú yẹ á sún jẹ́ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá sọ pé irọ́ ni wọ́n pa lẹ́tà tí wọ́n kọ ìwọ̀n á wá o. Ọlọ́run ṣé wọn kọ pé déètì báyìí láwọn ń bọ̀ síbẹ̀, wọ́n mọ̀ ni wọ́n fi strategize ni. Ààbò ìlú yìí bó ṣe mẹ́hẹ̀ yìí tó Ọlọ́run níjó kàn wá o. Oníyàn ṣe o, ọlọ́kà ṣe. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá wa jẹ tèmi, gbogbo yín náà la dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ o. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba, wíwá báyìí làwo máa wá, ẹ̀yin náà làwo sì máa bá. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí ò ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ sì fi ń gbọ́ mi ò ní dì. Kò ní bàjẹ́ fún mi, kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Mo fàsìkò yìí kí àwọn Lady K pé wọ́n kú oríire àná tí wọ́n ti sign release warrant wọn. Láìpẹ́ láì jìnà mo mọ̀ pé máa tó gbọ́rọ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ Lady K ti dé, táwa náà máa bá sọ̀rọ̀. Kódà tí n bá ti rí tó ti dé máa interview ẹ̀ fúnra mi, máa gbóhùn ẹ̀ wá kí gbogbo wa gbóhùn ẹ̀ lórí ètò wa yìí. Tó mo rọ̀ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wá tẹ́ ń wo program mi tẹ́ dẹ́ padà bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ ṣe wo bí tán kọ subscribe sí 47,000 àtẹ̀tífẹ́ ìwọ́ tẹ̀tífẹ́ ìwọ́ 48,000. Tó yà mí lẹ́nu ni pé pẹ̀lú bá a ṣe ń sọ tó ìpé kẹ́yìn èèyàn yé subscribe sí Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ channel mọ́ àwọn èèyàn tó ṣe subscribe síbẹ̀ ó ti fẹ́ wọ 48,000 nísìn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí bí a bá rí nínú 48,000 yẹn tí 30,000 bá kú mẹ́wàá máa bọ̀ ní orí channel tàwa yìí, ṣé mọ̀ pé nǹkan á tún rọrùn díẹ̀. Mo ń fàsìkò yìí rọ̀wọ́ tó ń wò mí tó jẹ́ pé ó sì jókòó sínú channel Gbàgede Ìmọ̀. Mo fọlọ́ búra pé by the end of this month ẹ lè rí channel yẹn wò mọ́ torí mi ò ní nǹkan kan ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dọ́kọ́ mọ́ lùbọ́ ní channel Bàbá Gbàgede Live, Bàbá Gbàgede TV tàṣẹ wáyé. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́lẹ̀ ti wà ní channel tẹ́ ń wá wo fídíò tẹ́ ń jáde tẹ́ subscribe ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Fídíò tí mo ṣe last 30-something-thousand ló ti wò. Nígbà tí èèyàn 38,000 tó bá wo fídíò tí gbogbo ẹ tó subscribe wọ 20,000, definitely àwọn kan ń wo fídíò yẹn wọ́n ń kúrò wọn subscribe ni. Ìwọ má sí láàrin wọn. Ìwọ náà ṣe wo bí tí subscribe wà yẹn kó tẹ̀ tó bá tẹ̀ kó tẹ̀ notification bell ó ti dára wá nìyẹn. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ tẹ̀. Tàbí ẹ̀yin tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé nú Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ lẹ́ṣì wà ẹ wo ìsàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí ẹ rí ibi tí a fi líǹkì sí, ẹ ṣá kílíkì lórí líǹkì yẹn á gbé yín lọ sínú ṣánẹ́ẹ̀lì Bàbá Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV. Tẹ́ bá subscribe sí oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tẹ́ máa gbádùn lágbára ẹ̀rí pa tí ń dọ́gbọ́n ṣe studio wa díẹ̀díẹ̀. Yes, àti ní àwọn line up program sílẹ̀ against September because a fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ new quarter nínú September yẹn. Ẹ máa gbọ́ sport nínú Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ channel. Ẹ máa gbọ́ nípa àṣà àti ṣe dáadáa. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìdílé ètò kan wà tá à ń pè ní Kílẹ̀ Aláyọ̀ Má di Kíkan. A máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ tá a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ àti ìyàwó bí ìdílé ṣe lè tòrò ara ẹ̀ ni. Àṣà àti ṣe ìtàn ṣẹ̀dálẹ̀ ìlú kọ̀ọ̀kan a máa dá padà sínú Bàbá Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV. Ètò jẹ́ ń tèmi sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ láti ilẹ̀ wa ni. Ẹ máa gbọ́ ìtàn ṣẹ̀dálẹ̀ ìlú kọ̀ọ̀kan yàtọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo ká gbọ́ gbogbo gbà yìí. Bákan náà àwọn news lóríṣiríṣi lọ́lọ́kanjọ̀kan. A dẹ̀ tún máa gbé àwọn àgbààgbà Yorùbá wá sí orí ṣánẹ́ẹ̀lì ká máa interview wọn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ yìí. Ara àwọn nǹkan tá a là lẹ́rìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kan náà ni ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ààbò, ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ìwòsàn ìyẹn náà wà ń bẹ̀. Kí ni pàtàkì orógbó? Ẹ ti wo kí ni pàtàkì èédú? Ó kù pàtàkì orógbó, ó kù pàtàkì ewé mọ́ngòrò, kí ni pàtàkì ewé góbà, kí la lè lò tí nǹkan báyìí bá ṣèyàn tí menstruation obìnrin bá ń cease. Kí ni oríṣiríṣi kọ́lọ̀ ni menstruation obìnrin tó wà. Tó bá fún yín ní kọ́lọ̀ báyìí kí ló mean? Gbogbo nǹkan yẹn náà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ta lálẹ́ tá a sì máa sọ. Tí menstruation obìnrin bá pọ́n jù kí ni tó mean? Tí ò bá pọ́n rárá kí ni tó mean? Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yìí la sì máa sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. Tẹ́ẹ̀sì máa jẹ gbádùn lórí Gbàgede Ìmọ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà gbìyànjú kẹ́ subscribe sórí Bàbá Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV tàwa yìí. Ọlọ́run á ṣe dáadáa fún wa. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá wo fídíò tèmi mo rọ̀ yín pé ẹ bá sọ fún àwọn èèyàn lórí ètò lórí station yìí pé káwọn náà subscribe sí. Ọlọ́run á ṣe dáadáa fún wa. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí ò ní fọ́ o, etí tẹ́ sì fi ń gbọ́ mi ò ní di lágbára Olódùmarè. lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí èmi náà Aláwìyé Adébáyọ̀ Sàbúrì ọmọ bàbá tíṣà lábẹ́òkúta èmi lọ́mọ apẹran lábàjẹ́ ọmọ àtàgbà kárìṣà èmi lọ́mọ ẹwú ò máa mẹ́mú ògìrì yóò máa jogòǹgò ọ̀pẹ kí ní pàkó ọ̀pẹ pé mo ṣe èmi lọ́mọ ẹwú kélé mọjà mọ̀rọ̀ ìjẹ̀gbẹ̀sì mo sáìn lórí ètò yìí lónìí pé ó dàbọ̀ ẹ tún jẹ́ á pàdé ní ìgbà mìíràn ire o kàǹkà.